Happy morning, children. We are starting with practice set 7.3, question number 8. In a school, 46 students of 9th standard, they were told to measure the length of the pencils. And this data is given to us, and the classes have already been given to you. We have to prepare a group frequency distribution table. Now, 0 to 5. Now, 0 to 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, next, 5 to 10 is given. So, I have written here 5 to 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 to 15 means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 to 20 means 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These classes, as you see, upper limit is equal to lower limit. Upper limit is equal to lower limit. Upper limit is equal to lower limit. So, these classes are called as exclusive classes. So, make this correction. Okay. They are exclusive classes. Also, they are called as continuous classes. So, whenever we are putting tally mark, only one point should be very clear with you, that 5 is given. Suppose if 5 is given, 10 is given, 15 is given as a score, you will take it in the class where 15 is the lower class limit, where 10 is the lower class limit, where 5 is the lower class limit. Now 5 here, it comes in upper class limit. So you will not consider the score 5 in this class. You will take it in the class, next class 5, where 5 is the lower class limit. Same thing for 10. 10 the score comes, you have to take it in this class, because 10 here is the lower class limit. 15 comes, then you have to take it in this class, because here 15 is the lower class limit. This point should be very clear. Otherwise, the score is given to you, the data is given to you, you have to just put tally mark. For the first line, I will just show it to you how it should be done. 16 is given. So 16 will come in the class 15 to 20. One tally mark you put. Then 15. See, just now I explained here. 15 will come here. 7. 4.5. 8.5. 5.5. 5. 6.5. 6. 10. 12. 13. 4.5. 4.9. 16. 11. 9.2. 7.3. 11.4. 12.7. 13.9. 16. 5.5. 9.9. 8.4. 11.4. 13.1. 15. Now 15 has come. So here lower class limit. Then 4.8. 4.8. 10. See, lower class limit I have taken. 7.5. 8.5. 6.5. 7.2. 7.2 will come. 4.5. 5.7. 16. 5.7. 6.9. 8.9. 9.2. 10.2. 12.3. 13.7. 14.5 and 10. 10C lower class limit. So now we will write the frequency here. 5 tally marks. So 5 is the frequency. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 here. 5, 10, 15 and 6. So we can write here total frequency capital N is equal to summation F is equal to, now 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. This is the way you have to prepare group frequency distribution table where the classes have been given to you and they are continuous classes.